If you are still merging pull requests without automatic feedback, you are doing it not correct. Let me show you how to turn GitHub into your own code reviewing teammate using Reviewdog. Code reviews take time. Reviewers nitpick style issues, and you only notice some mistake after merging. But what if your pull request reviewed itself before anyone else did? That used to be my problem. I would push code, CI would run tests, but linting errors, they slipped through. Reviewers had to waste time pointing out formatting instead of focusing on logic. So, we updated our pipeline. We added SwiftLint and connected it with Reviewdog. Now linting errors don't just fail the build, they show up as comments in the pull request itself. Let's start adding the lint step to our CI workflow. First, we need to add permissions, so Reviewdog can write comments directly to pull requests. Next, let's create a new job. This runs in parallel with other jobs, like build and test. I will call it lint and run it on macOS. Now we need to set up Reviewdog. This installs the tool so we can pass lint result into it. And then install SwiftLint. I'm doing it manually with Homebrew, but we could also use pre-built action. And last but not least, we run SwiftLint and pipe the results into Reviewdog. Reviewdog then posts those results back to GitHub as inline pull request comments. And that's it. We have wired up a new lint job that automatically runs on macOS, check our Swift code with SwiftLint, and pipes the result back into GitHub pull requests as a comment using Reviewdog. Here is what it looks like in action. I pushed a pull request with a style violation. Instead of waiting for a teammate to catch it, Reviewdog instantly left a comment right on the exact line. If you want to level up your GitHub workflow, try adding Reviewdog to your CI. Your teammate will thank you later. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more GitHub automation tips. Until next time, keep coding!